How to create Google AdSense. So discuss. So Google AdSense, sign in, click, so email and password, sign in Google AdSense. So get started. New Google AdSense account open. So email, password, password. So full information দিয়ে login. So create account, start. Okay. So your content is valuable to use. While it take time to create content, it should take time to make money from it. Get started. So below is why 2 million people use AdSense. Earn money from your site, advertising, optimize for mobile. Save time. Million of advertisers complete for the placement of ads on your site. This will allow you to earn money, show more relevant ads, and fill the space to show more ads. So advertising optimize for mobile. Google automatically resizes your ads until for display on desktop or mobile. This increases the sense of seeing and clicking the ads. Save time. When you add your Google, go to your site. Google will automatically display that mess last you worry have to waste time since ad code. See how much you can earn from AdSense. So thank you everyone.